The photography world is buzzing with anticipation as rumors of the Nikon Z6 Mark III start to surface. As enthusiasts, we can't help but wonder what exciting new features and enhancements Nikon has in store for this highly anticipated mirrorless camera. So, let's dive in and explore the potential upgrades and capabilities of this upcoming camera.
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say. An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer video simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which all together create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes 10 Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with 10 Studio today.
First and foremost, the leaked images suggest that the Nikon Z6 Mark III will sport a similar design to the Z6 II, with a few notable refinements. The camera appears to have a slightly larger body, likely to accommodate an improved LCD and electronic viewfinder. Speaking of the electronic viewfinder, reports indicate that it will feature a higher resolution of 5.76 million dots, offering users a more detailed and immersive viewing experience. One of the standout features of the Nikon Z6 Mark III, if the rumors hold true, is its impressive video capabilities. We're excited to see that the camera may offer 6K 60p RAW video recording, as well as 4K 120p and 4K 60p in full-frame ProRes RAW format. This would be a significant upgrade over the Z6 II's video capabilities, catering to the needs of professional videographers and filmmakers. In terms of still photography, the Nikon Z6 Mark III is rumored to boast some impressive specs. We're talking about 20 frames per second of continuous shooting in RAW format, with an impressive 14-bit depth. For those who love capturing fast-paced action, the camera's reported 1/16,000-second maximum shutter speed will surely come in handy. And with a staggering 299 autofocus points, you can expect precise and reliable focus performance. Another area where the Nikon Z6 Mark III seems to shine is in the image stabilization department. If the reports are accurate, the camera will feature an 8-stop vibration reduction system, similar to the one found in the high-end Nikon Z9. This should provide users with exceptional handheld shooting capabilities, especially when capturing low-light or telephoto images. When it comes to storage, the Nikon Z6 Mark III is expected to offer a dual-card slot configuration, with one CF Express and one SD card slot. This flexibility will be appreciated by professionals who require the speed and reliability of CF Express cards, as well as those who prefer the more affordable and widely used SD cards. One of the intriguing aspects of the Nikon Z6 Mark III is the potential sensor resolution. It's no secret that Nikon is gearing up for the release of its much-awaited Z6 Mark III camera, and the rumor mill has been working overtime with speculations about its features. While earlier reports hinted that the camera might stick with the tried-and-tested 24-megapixel sensor found in its predecessor, the recent unveiling of Tamron's 28-75mm f2.8 G2 lens for Nikon Z mount has set tongues wagging. Why? Well, some experts believe that this lens's capabilities could point towards the Z6 Mark III boasting a higher resolution sensor, possibly even one that matches the impressive 33-megapixel CMOS sensor found in the Sony a7 IV. Exciting, isn't it? If this turns out to be true, it would be a significant upgrade, allowing users to capture more detailed and cropped images without sacrificing image quality. Of course, we'll have to wait for the official announcement to know for sure, but the possibility of a higher resolution sensor is certainly exciting. With the introduction of features like 6K 60p RAW video, 4K 120p, and ProRes RAW support, Nikon is clearly showing its commitment to cater to the needs of advanced videographers and filmmakers. These features are a game-changer for anyone who wants to take their videography skills to the next level. The improved EVF, LCD, and autofocus capabilities also suggest that the Z6 Mark III will be a more versatile and responsive camera for both stills and video. As we eagerly await the official announcement, we can't help but feel excited about the prospects of the Nikon Z6 Mark III. Based on the leaked information and our analysis, it seems Nikon is poised to deliver an exceptional mid-range mirrorless camera that will cater to the needs of a wide range of photographers and videographers. Obviously, we'll have to wait for the official unveiling to see how it stacks up against the competition. But from what we've seen so far, the Nikon Z6 Mark III is shaping up to be a truly impressive and versatile addition to the company's Z series lineup. So that's all about the Nikon Z6 Mark III. Do let us know what you think about this, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.